So it's time, guys, to unbox this heavy Xbox. It's come out today and in very, very popular demand. So I'm very lucky to have my own right now. And I've seen that Amazon are selling them for ridiculous prices. I'm going to try my best to record an opening without it dropping on the floor, because that will be a big error. I don't want to be going all over the internet for the person to drop their Xbox on the day one. So I think you're not going to see it very well until it's probably opened. There's another thing, that's why it's not opening. Thank you to my mum collecting it. You know, let's open it. And now you're not going to be able to see me, and I'm not going to be able to see myself. But let's lift it up a bit. Look at it, just sitting in all its glory. The fridge, may I say, or what people call it. It had its own little protection. I'm guessing it deserves its own little protection. So I'm going to pick it up and bring it over to you guys. So you're not going to really worry about seeing the box, but bloody hell, look at it there. The fridge, or Xbox mini fridge, they call it. It actually does look a really sleek design with all the black and everything. Probably the best packaging out of all the Xboxes I've opened so far. But I'm opening it upside down, I'm pretty sure. So here we go. Ow, I just hit myself with the Xbox. I advise not hitting yourself with the Xbox because it bloody hurts. No, because I'm going to undress it like this. The mini fridge is here. Just making sure there's not a massive dent in it or something. They've like kicked it in the warehouse. And yeah, so that's what, it's that way, isn't it? I'm showing you, what side was I showing you just then? But anyway, yeah, so that is what it looks like. There is loads of fans on top. So I'm pretty sure, if I remember, you can have it like either this or like this. So like a mini sort of like PC stand. And because on this side, it's got them little dots, so you can obviously put it down like that. It just means if you put it down like that, the wires on the back are all upside down. So say if I went like that, it's not going to be upside down for you guys, because now it's in. No, it's not going to be upside down anyway. Ignore me. Ignore what I just said. I'm an idiot. But yeah, so that's the Xbox. I'm going to get this up and running. Then I should be able to upload more gaming videos and stuff like that. So hopefully my desk don't break with this on. Yeah, that shake was me putting it on my desk. So, what else have we got in here? So you have got the manual of setting it up. It stands up. Wow. By itself. It looks pretty simple. You got on the back, you've got the HDMI ports as usual. You've got the added on storage like I did with my old Xbox. I don't want to unplug it because it's, and now my Xbox is turning on. That is not the new one, by the way. That's the old one. What else have we got in here? Got some ear defenders, because the fridge is going to be very loud. And then you've got this thing, part of the box, which should have, I'm glad that they kept with these. Oh, you get your HDMI, which is harder to get. And they kept with the Slim and the X. No chunky block, just a power cable. That is the main, I just hit my phone, but the main good thing. That there's no massive brick, because imagine a brick with that fridge, that would just be ridiculous. I think there's nothing else in here, apart from the controller, which obviously you've probably seen people go into more detail, but as I haven't got so many different cameras, I can't do that many different views. But it would have been cool if the fridge come in white as well. But here we go. I heard good reviews about this controller. I know people are moaning, oh, Xbox have just put the share button on it because of PlayStation used to have it and everything. But okay, it feels nice in my hand already. But here we go. So that is the Xbox controller, which you've obviously seen. This is my old one, a bit rough and tough, but look, that's next to each other. So this directional pad, there's no I guess holes in between. And now on there, see on here we had nothing. And now we've got a share button. And if I remember, on here now, we have got grips on the, or my one did on my Xbox, had grips on the, is it paddles, I think they called them, but had grips on the paddles, but now they've got on the right bumper, left bumper, and stuff like that. I have, the good thing about this, if this controller goes up or whatever, I can use this one on my new Xbox as well, because I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, that all accessories are able to link up with both consoles, which is a bonus as well. I don't know about the PlayStation. I'm not going to be getting the PlayStation, so don't expect a PlayStation review. Unless it's PlayStation you want to give me one, then I'll do one. But I'm not going to do it at PlayStation one. I know people will probably want to see one, but yeah. So I'll turn it around now to see, you can see it in. So that's it, the fridge in all its glory, standing on the desk. It's not going to stay there at the moment. That's where the old one is, over here at the moment, with the big TV monitor. But then that's going to be going soon and downgrading, or not downgrading, but upgrading to a smaller monitor. And then it's just going to be better. And then hopefully I'll get a PC and stuff. So let's hope. It wasn't too long of a video, this one. I guess I shouldn't have probably watched that many videos before about unboxing. I might have been more surprised, but it's just how excited I was looking for the new Xbox coming out. I just wanted to upload it to so you could see a more. I guess there's going to be loads out there, but you know, I hope you guys enjoyed my not very detailed but unboxing. If you want to see more unboxing in the future of different things, like I said, probably not the PlayStation unless PlayStation gives me one. I'll do it. But if not, I'll see you soon for another upload. Make sure you leave a like, comment,